Wondering what your property should look like on opening day? Here's a guest ready launch bed and breakfast checklist to keep your first impression smooth, inviting, and review worthy. Hey there, amazing viewers. Enjoy our episodes? Don't just hover around, dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of bed and breakfast knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. You've scrubbed, planned, fluffed, and folded your way through sleepless nights and a wallop that's now whispering for mercy. And now, the big day's here. But what should your bed and breakfast actually look like on day one? Think of it like hosting your in-laws for the first time, except they're paying. Expect fresh pastries and will tell the entire internet exactly how they felt about the linens. This episode walks you through a launch day checklist and hits all the right notes: warmth, readiness, and professionalism, without sending you into a "is the kettle whistling or is that me?" kind of panic. First impressions begin outside. The front of your property is your B&B's handshake. If your signage looks like it was rescued from a garage sale, guests will notice. Here's a checklist. Clear and clean signage. Bonus points for its charm. Well-kept lawn or garden beds. Nothing sad or shriveled. Exterior lighting that works and ideally flatters the building. Easy to find entrance, clearly marked. Off-street parking, marked and clean, especially if it rained yesterday. One new owner asked me if it was okay if her guest had to step over a garden hose. Guess what our first review said? Your entryway sets the tone. Whether guests are arriving from the airport, a road trip, or the next town over, they're stepping into your world now. Here's your checklist. A welcoming entry. Fresh scent. Tidy space. Zero clutter. An umbrella stand if it's a rainy season. Guest sign-in book or check-in setup ready and working. Local map. Welcoming brochure and Wi-Fi password displayed. A host with a smile, and that's you, even if you've been up since 5. Tip. Want extra love in that online review? Add a carafe of lemon water or offer a quick local tip on arrival. Are you dreaming of running your own bed and breakfast but feel overwhelmed by where to start? Or maybe you're already an owner looking to take your B&B to the next level. Welcome to the Mastering B&B Management, comprehensive guide to starting, running, and growing your bed and breakfast. This course is a comprehensive roadmap for aspiring and current bed and breakfast owners, featuring 5 modules packed with actionable strategies, expert insights, and interactive resources. Click the link below to start your journey to bed and breakfast success and turn your dream into a reality. Don't wait. Your guests are already waiting for you. Your guest rooms. Clean, comfortable, and consistent. Your guest room should whisper, "Rest here," not scream, "IKEA clearance aisle." Your checklist? Crisp bedding, fluffed pillows, spotless bathrooms. A reading light by the bed. Guests will check. Towels neatly placed. Bonus points for matching sets. A bin with a liner. You'd be shocked at how often this is missed. A welcome note or small treat. Chocolates, cookie, or a local gift. Your reality check? Don't go overboard with throw pillows. 3 is a delight, 8 is a puzzle. Your breakfast area. This is where your reviews are made. Breakfast is your stage. A good one gets remembered. A bad one gets yelped. Your checklist. Clean, inviting setup. No crumbs from yesterday's trial run. Tableware arranged and sparkling. Menus or meal choices displayed or explained. special dietary needs accommodated and recorded ahead of time, a backup plan if the toaster revolts, and trust me, it might. One last thing, if you're not eating the food you serve, don't serve it. Guests can taste the indifference. Back of house, your quiet command center. Guests don't see this part, but if it's in chaos, everything falls apart like a badly layered parfait. Your checklist? Cleaning supplies organized and labeled. Extra linens and towels stocked. Emergency contact list posted. Booking systems, digital or physical, working without hiccups. Personal calendar with reminders for check-ins and requests. A clipboard works wonders. Seriously, you'll feel like a boss with the clipboard. Communication station. Be reachable. Be ready. If guests don't know how to reach you, that review is already halfway to 3 stars. Your checklist? Welcome packet includes phone numbers, house rules, Wi-Fi code. Signs around the house should be friendly, not bossy. Contact instructions clearly explained at check-in. Email autoresponder for late-night queries. A simple sign that reads, "Need help? Ring bell or shout," whichever's funnier. Final night before lunch, take 15 quiet minutes. Walk the space as if you were a guest. Does it feel warm, clean, easy to navigate? Your checklist. All rooms unlocked and aired out. Scent check. Subtle lavender or citrus. Never cleaning chemicals. No unfinished renovations or eyesores in view. A plan for breakfast ready and ingredients stocked. A deep breath and a reminder. Guests aren't looking for perfection. They're looking to feel cared for. Running a B&B? It's not just tea and toast. It's plungers, pastries, and planning. Download your B&B Starter Blueprint and start with your eyes wide open. You can find a link in the show notes. What is one small touch you added that made a big difference to your guest experience? Share it in the comments. Here are your 5 key takeaways. Front yard says hello before you do. Entryway must feel welcoming, not forgotten. Guest rooms need more than just clean sheets. Breakfast is your B&B's reputation on a plate. Organization behind the scene builds guest trust. Day 1 doesn't need to be perfect, but it does need to be personal. Guests will remember the warmth, the care, and whether they felt seen. If you got a solid checklist, a dash of charm, and the willingness to adapt, you're already ahead of the curve. Want more step-by-step help? You'll find everything from budgeting templates to morning prep guides in the Mastering B&B Management Comprehensive Guide to Starting, Running, and Growing Your Bed and Breakfast course. And that's a wrap of today's episode of Beds, Breakfasts, and Business. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Remember, it's more than just the comfy beds and delicious breakfasts. It's about crafting an unforgettable experience. Stay inspired and keep those guest books full. Until next time, sweet dreams and sweeter success.